All right, to make a Google form, I clicked on Google Form. I already have one started, so I'm going to go to it. Um, when you make a Google form and you're adding questions, you just click here. These are good too because you can actually replicate the questions that are already in it. Um, I would recommend you download what Karen Denningham recommended was the Insert Math Quado, and that's how I got these pictures in here, and they look like this. If you don't do that, it's a little bit harder to put pictures in. But as you add, you're going to add a you're going to add a question, multiple choice. The only problem is you're going to have to put them in yourself. So if I go here, you go to Equado, you're going to click here, open it up. So x to the third, sorry, to the fourth, um, x to the sixth, and close parentheses. And you just click over here. You can see it down here on the bottom. It says insert. We're going to insert it, and it'll literally put that question right in. It does it for you. It clicks it in. You can't really read it because you have this over it, but that's okay. I'm going to click add. I don't know how to get rid of that. If anyone knows, it'd be helpful. So I'm going to hit add. I'm going to do the same thing again. If you want to, you can always type it in yourself and do this. It's just another way of doing it. Don't forget to add other options. So I always add a couple just to make sure there's a few other ones there. Try the one that's multiplied, which is 24. So they're all there. But then when it says the answer key, so if you look, there's a word at the bottom here. It says answer key. I'm going to click on it. And when you go to the answer key, you now have to click it and make sure you know that's the answer. You can add any feedback too, and just say add, not multiply. Something like that. Save it. Now when they get it wrong, they can see what they did wrong. Throw a point or two up, and you're done. So the other thing that Kara brought up, which was awesome, I didn't even check this until now, is that if you go here, you can change a lot of things. So responders can edit after submit. You could put that on if you want. You can see summary charts and responses. You can show progress bar. You can shuffle the questions. Quizzes right here. Immediately after submission, they could see, or later. I like the idea of doing it later. That way they can't show, they don't automatically get the answers. Show it um, to other people who are taking it. These are all good. Respondents can see missed questions, correct answers, point values. They can see all that. So it's just whether or not they release the grade immediately. Uh, so these are all really good, helpful things if you go through these and click through them. Pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. Um, and then you just post it to your Google Classroom.